From humble beginnings to skyrocketing success, this is the story of India's richest man. Ready to be inspired? Mukesh Ambani, born in Yemen and raised in a modest Mumbai apartment, had big dreams from a young age. He studied chemical engineering, but it was his father's vision that ignited his entrepreneurial spirit. In 1981, Mukesh joined Reliance Industries, founded by his father, Dhirubhai Ambani. His first big move? Setting up India's first private oil refinery. The result? The world's largest refinery in Jamnagar, Gujarat. But Mukesh didn't stop there. He launched Reliance Jio in 2016, revolutionizing India's telecom industry with affordable internet for all. This bold move not only disrupted the market but also connected millions of Indians to the digital age. However, the journey wasn't without challenges. Mukesh faced intense competition and regulatory hurdles. Navigating through these obstacles required strategic thinking and resilience. One of his significant achievements was the acquisition of Network 18, expanding Reliance's media footprint. Another milestone was the launch of Reliance Retail, which became India's largest retailer. So, what can we learn from Mukesh Ambani's journey? First, embrace big challenges. Second, innovate fearlessly. And most importantly, believe in the power of vision. If you found this story inspiring, hit like and subscribe for more incredible journeys. Until next time, keep dreaming big. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Mukesh Ambani's story is a testament to perseverance and vision. His legacy continues to inspire millions, proving that with determination, anything is possible.